Hello, my name is Michael Andrew Schrantz. I'm a student at Grand Canyon University, and this is for Sec 502. The comparison of teacher assessment and support consortium, known as InTask, and National Council of Teachers of English, known as NCTE. The objectives for this following PowerPoint presentation are as follows: to learn InTask and NCTE and their standards that I present in the slide, compared themes and standards that are presented in the slide, recognize what effective teaching is, gain understanding about professional collaboration with your colleagues and beyond, learn how teachers improve and advance the profession with InTask. The following is a definition of what InTask is about. The definition is as follows: It is a set of model core teaching standards and outlined what teachers should know and be able to do to ensure every K-12 student reaches the goal of being ready to enter college or the workforce in today's world. NCTE definition is as followed: is designed to complement other national, state, and local standards and contribute to ongoing discussion about English language arts, classroom activities, and curricula. This is just a brief definition of what the NCTE is about. InTask and NCTE standards. There are so many standards in both NCTE and InTask, I can't list them all. But InTask is a list of at least 10 standards. NCTE is a list of at least 12 standards. I will be only presenting 2 of these standards in this PowerPoint. The 2 standards that I wish to present in this PowerPoint are content knowledge and student conduct research, which are both from InTask and NCTE. The InTask standard that I chose was contact knowledge. This gives you an understanding of the subject, how to gather knowledge, planning of the classroom materials, how to be as educators and create a classroom environment, making materials available for students and encouraging for students so they can be successful in the classroom, guarantees the individual understanding of the subject for the student as well. NCTE standard is as followed as well. Students will explore their curiosities and concerns by gathering information and ideas through research. Students will retrieve, assess, and manufacture information through several areas in order to share all the findings they find and support their subject meeting to the audience, giving them an understanding of the material and how to explain it. Compared themes in the standards represented here are as follows: a strong understanding of the subject and what they're learning, how to conduct research and the process of conducting that research, giving teachers a strong understanding of the disciplines they are teaching to the class, teachers utilizing the research process not only for themselves, but with the students and for the students, and continuation of these standards. Both NTCE and InTask, the standards create an environment where the tools that are available or the students have access to are available for all of them, inside and out. No matter what tool that is, it is accessible for them. Standards of an effective teacher are as follows. They create an organized and positive learning environment for every student that steps into the classroom. Actively work with students on what they're working on, even with their struggles and issues or questions they might have. They prepare lessons that are designed for the students to easily understand the subject. Work every day at being patient, fair when teaching. So patient when someone's not understanding something, fair when grading or teaching the subject, so it's not to be biased towards students. Using these standards, the teachers encourage growth and effectiveness in the learning environment that is created. Professional collaboration in InTask and NCTE. As the quote says, the focus of rich collaboration, whether involving leaders, teachers, or students, collaborating together, is to have a definite impact on student achievement. Students and staff can use data and from instructional material and technology in their learning forms to gain this type of collaboration in the classroom and create this environment of fulfillment and success with the collaboration. Collaboration continued. Collaboration, the definition, this quote of collaboration is of interaction between individuals engaged in shared decision-making as they work toward a common goal. Individuals who collaborate have equally valued personal or professional resources to contribute, and they share decision-making authority and accountability for outcomes. Creating a big push and accessibility to data and decision-making in this instructional setting could create this possible push for collaboration between teachers and students where there would be none in a setting without this, or without this type of mindset. Improving advancements with InTask would be through interacting in an expressive and rigorously proficient educational environment created for the student, where the teacher encourages self-growth, continuously reviews their material and furthering education, and they're self-evaluating what they do and how they create teamwork. Having ongoing self-growth is important in the form of guidance and collaboration and partnership with colleagues and students in the educational setting. In improving advancements, teachers must always continue to learn, grow, and collaborate in order to advance their knowledge and skills so they can improve the practice and advance the profession for students and future teachers to be able to successfully teach the students in any classroom setting. The last page is my reference page for the different quotes and phrases I used from my research in this presentation. I'd like to take the time to thank you for listening to this presentation and hope you have a nice day.